Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to turn in your electronic storyboard. So I'm on the Storyboard, that website. Thank you to Jordan for letting me use her account. So when you go to your storyboards, you click My Storyboards, you'll be here and you'll see your storyboards. So when you have the one that you want to turn in, you want to click View Larger. When you click View Larger, it is going to make it bigger, and it's the only one you're looking at. And you need to do a couple of things before you can turn it in. The first thing that you need to do is you need to click Edit Title. What I want you to do here is I want you to write the title of your story. And then I want you to write your name. Obviously, I do not want your story to be called Jordan's Title. I want you to come up with a title for your story that fits with your story. So you're going to type whatever your title is, and then you're going to write your name. Okay? After you do that, you're going to go ahead and click Save, and now your title's been saved. So once you have your title saved, then you're going to come down here and you're going to click Download Images. When you click that, it's going to give you a lot of different options. Image pack, high resolution image, social media, PDF, PowerPoint. You want a PDF. So because you want the PDF version of this, you are going to click PDF and it's going to get ready for you to download. Now, I'm on my laptop, so it's going to look a little bit different for me than it does for you. But basically what it's going to do on your laptop, or I'm sorry, on your Chromebook, is over here in the right-hand corner, you're going to have a pop-up and it'll say downloading, and then it will show you when it's done. I believe it will also say something like show in folder. Even if it doesn't say show in folder, if you click it, it'll show you where it is. Mine, because I'm on my Chromebook, is down here, so I'm going to click show in folder. Now, it usually sends everything to downloads. I definitely want to move it from downloads somewhere so that it's easy for me to access. So I'm going to go to the desktop. I'm going to move it to my desktop. All right. So once you've done that, now you're ready to turn it in. So you're going to come back to Google Classroom. You're going to go to your English class, and you're going to go to this assignment. When you're at this assignment, go ahead and click View Assignment, and then you're going to add your file. So you're going to click Add, and you're going to click File, because it's not in your Google Drive, it's on your Chromebook. So you're going to click File, and then it's going to ask you to upload it, and you're going to select files from your computer. This is where you need to go to whatever folder you saved it in. So for me, it was in desktop, and you need to find what it is that you're attaching. You click what it is, you open it, and then you upload it. Once you've seen that it's been uploaded and it's part of your Google Classroom assignment, then you can go ahead and click Turn In, and now it will turn in your work for you. I'm going to be changing the due dates for your project so that the due date is 5 minutes after your class time starts, because the people who are turning in physical copies, theirs are due when they walk in the door. So for you, yours will be due when you walk in the door to class on Tuesday. And so that's how you turn in the electronic copy.